Welcome to the core loss testing channel. Today's video will feature the main steps of a core loss test while using Lexseco's MP7 software. Using guided steps, you'll be able to select motor, frame, test type, repair phase, and conduct a fully automated test. While using Lexseco's MP7 software, it will guide you intuitively through the process, and at the end, you'll be able to provide your customer with a full report that you'll be able to keep on your database for future use. We hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.